guys, this is the amazing adventures of Helloducky here, and I decided to make an updated video on how you can make your own 1.8 Minecraft server. So today I got my Minecraft server and it is running now. But first I had a few problems with it before I could actually run it, and I've had experience with it, but there was just some issues that I needed to fix, and I was able to fix them, get some help. And so I wanted to make things easier for those of you that would like to have their own server, and this video is going to be dedicated to first of all how to get a how to download a server, and how to let your friends join. And also, if you need to take down a firewall to do it, or let your friends join, that will be in this video as well. So stick around if you have any questions about those. So, first off, we will go to Minecraft.net, and when you first get in, it will just look like the normal homepage, but then you click download. Once you get to this page, you will see down here this multiplayer server tab, and, well, text, and then right here we have Minecraft server 1.8.exe. so we just click on this and we let it then we'll save it, and we'll save as, and we'll just save it to this folder that I made for it on the desktop, and I'll explain the reasoning of this. So this is the new folder. I'll just let it open in there. Okay, save. Okay, run. Alright, so now we have our Minecraft server downloaded, and it will automatically start it, or it will ask you if you want it to start, but I told it it's okay for it to start. So, once you do that, you'll have this new folder here, and this is where I put my Minecraft server, right? But how you add a new folder, you will just go to new, and then you'll click on folder here, and so then you just save it to that specific folder wherever you want to put it, whatever folder you decide to place it in. But right here we got our new folder, and the reason why it's important that it's in a folder is that when you first set this up, you run this, and when you run this, it puts all the other server content in here. And so you want to have it in here, or unless you want it spread around your whole desktop like this. So yep, that's the point of the folder, just to keep it more organized. If you don't want to do that, that's fine too, but I prefer to do it this way. So another thing you need to do before starting your server is you need to come in here into the EULA. It will say EULA, it will automatically put it on, and you'll say EULA equals false, and you'll say what is, basically you just need to agree to the Mojang EULA, so it won't even let you start your server right until you put EULA equals true, and that just basically means that you agree to their policy. So then you just click file, and then you save that, and then you go ahead and you can close this, and then you'll watch right here, you'll double click this and you'll run this. You'll see that it adds all of these other ones because you agreed to it. So now your server's up and running, great, and you can join it and whatever else, but you want to play with your friends, and that's the main reason why I got a server. You know, what's the point of a server if you're not gonna get on with your friends, right? So if I can get this to close, maybe I'll just minimize it for now. But basically, what you need to do first to get your friends to join is you need to find out your computer's IP, and this is just how it's identified. This is what your friends are sent to, basically, to connect to your Minecraft server. So you will go to this start menu and you'll type CMD, and and then you just press enter and it will open up. And because I don't want my privacy settings on here to be shown to you guys, I wrote this up on the notepad. So right here you type at the top ipconfig, and then you need to go down the list and look for IPv4 address, and that will tell you the computer's IP. And this is really important. Probably the only the last like 3 numbers or last section of the IP is important for this. But what you do next, once you find that out, you need to do a thing called port forwarding. And don't get all confused on me. Basically, it's just allowing other people to join your computer or your server rather. So first you go to your internet, whatever you use, and you type in the top 192.168.1.1. And so this is how you access your Wi-Fi router. So basically, you need to let this be shown to people wirelessly. And so the router is what gives the internet to you. So you press enter on this, and it will ask you for a password. So what you want to type, I don't know, the default is admin, just the same spelling, no capitals or anything. So then you come to this weird looking thing right here. Don't freak out on me, okay? So I have Linksys. This is just the brand of router that I am using at my home. So once you come to here, it probably won't look like this for you, depending on what you have. If you have Linksys, this is what it will look like. But for me, I go to this applications and gaming tab, and basically this might be on the first page of your router thing, but you just need to find a page that looks like this: application, start, end, protocol, IP address, enable. Just all this crazy stuff, and I'll blur the IP thing out so that because that's bad. We will have this port range thing, and this is kind of confusing, you know. And in this application, you can put whatever you want. I just put Minecraft. But what you need to type in here, you need to type in 25565, and this is just the default Minecraft start and end port range, I guess. And then you just do, and then it will say, so this is the start and this is the end. So then you just type in the end here, 25565. And on mine it's protocol, and I'm just doing both. And then what you do is you get those last 1, 2, or 3 numbers, and you place it into this last box right here. So, and then you enable it. So I'm going to save the settings. It'll take a second. Alright, and then I'm just going to continue. Alright, now you should be able to get your friends to join now. So what you need to do is you need to find your public IP. This is what you give your friends to join your server. So like if you're playing Mineplex, the server IP would be us.mineplex.com, and that's how you would join their server. So what you do is you type into Google, what is my IP? And then you press enter. And right here at the top, it will have your public address in this gray box. And basically you just need to remember that. That is what you tell your friends to put in to join you. Great! You know, this is awesome. So this is what they type in to join you, specifically. So then you're like, alright, that's awesome, great. Now what? So, now that they might be allowed to, on my one computer I was able to allow them to join right away, but first I had to get through a firewall, and I'll show you that in a minute. But another thing I figured out is you need to go into your this server properties. There we go. And right here it'll have all this awesome stuff, whatever, and eventually you will come to, let's see, I'm trying to look for it, and you'll see this blank server IP. And this you put, remember the thing that we typed into CMD? You type that exact IP right here, and then that is your personal IP, but you don't want to give that to people, so they just type your public one, and it identifies it to this server. So you type in the one that we typed into, that we got from CMD, or else this will not work. And at first it will be like a JSON file, and what you need to do is you just need to it will ask you, do you want to open it with something online or something on your computer already? And you just say on your computer, and then you select Notepad, and then it will have all these awesome tabs that you can edit, and it will make changes. See all this spawn animals, hardcore, snooper enabled, all this stuff. So then you can just access that and change it as you please. Okay, so after all of that confusingness, after that, the next thing is if someone has a firewall, and if that's all the stuff you need. If you don't have a firewall, great. But for me, I have this McAfee firewall, and I had this firewall on, and what it was is you want your firewall to probably be on, but you probably need to get into some details on it, and you need to go to ports and system services, I believe. Okay, and if it doesn't say Minecraft or whatever, you need to add it to your firewall of what is allowed into your Wi-Fi thing. So you just click add, you give it the name, then you can give it a category, and this is the 25565 number, and then the same thing right here, 25565, and then you allow it to do whatever. So you check yes, and on the Windows firewall, it'll probably be something similar to this. It might just not let people so it'll say something about ports and system services, and basically this is what allows your friends to join. So you want to be able to let them do that, and you need to unblock that or add a setting to it or whatever. But that's kind of confusing, I know. I thank you guys for watching this, going through all of this craziness and probably blowing your mind. If you need more detail on it, feel free to ask questions. I have my website, www.helloduckyadventures.weebly.com, and I will have a contact form, and you can ask me any questions you have about setting up your own Minecraft server. Alright, so now it is time to know how to join your own server and also have your friends join. So you go into your Minecraft, and for me it's 1.8, whatever version, just do what the client is enabled to. So we just click play, normal Minecraft setup, yada yada yada. It's a cool diamond sword. Alright, so then we are in Minecraft, awesome. Then we go to multiplayer. Here's all my servers that are running currently. So this is great, so first, I forgot what you need to do. You just need to go into your Minecraft server, and you just need to double click the icon in your Minecraft server folder. And now you have your server open, and then you can join it. You might need to put in your public IP that you gave your friends to join it. So that's what I did to get this here, but you basically double click on this, and you join, and here's your server. And it's great! And I'm having my little brother join my server. As you can see that my friend has joined the game. Where are you, Rexto? Where are you? I'll teleport him over here. Rexto. Alright, where are you? Okay, there you are. So here's my friend, and as you can see, it works. And I gave him the exact IP that I would give to my friends, and he is able to join this Minecraft server. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly Minecraft videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed, and see you later. Bye.